Today we come together to celebrate leadership and each individual's idea of what that means to them. There is no better time to be celebrating the impact of the voice of youth. We have seen over the past few years the impact young people are having on our society. Children at our school and around the world are demanding we pay attention to climate change, to remember and honor Indigenous people, and to serve those in our community who are marginalized. I'm grateful to be surrounded by young people who will have a positive impact on the world in so many capacities, demonstrating the virtues of good character. One of the 4 pillars of St. Michael's University School is respect. With this in mind, we acknowledge that we are on the traditional territory of the Songhees, Esquimalt, and Wasanich people. We spend time in our classes continuing to learn the traditional values of the First Nations people. I'm very glad you're able to watch this video today. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Leadership Assembly. This is an important day for our grade 5 students, and we are so pleased that they are going to speak to you today about what leadership means to them. To prepare for today, they went through a series of workshops where they brainstormed together about what a good leader is. And there were many ideas, hundreds in fact, all over the walls. I'm in the classroom, they were brainstorming together. Then their job was to go back to a piece of paper and think, well, what are the golden nuggets for them? So today they're going to share with you their golden nuggets about what leadership means. And those golden nuggets will be shaping them as they go forward as leaders this year. And we are so proud of this grade 5 class in this unique year. They are role models for the other students in the school. They may not be doing all the same jobs that they've done in the past as grade 5 leaders, but this year they are excellent role models, and I look forward to hearing what they have to say today. So thank you for joining us.
Hello, my name is John Hindi. Today I'll be saying what a leader means to me. A leader is confident and kind to others. A leader puts himself in other people's shoes. A leader is focused in class and well-behaved. Thank you for your time. I'm excited to be a grade 5 leader. Have a nice day.
Greetings, junior school. All I want to say is that anyone can be a leader. I'm looking forward to doing the announcements and being an ambassador. I think being a leader means being helpful, caring, and kind. A leader is also able to handle any situation. Goodbye, junior school. I hope I have not made you fall asleep.
Hello, junior school. My name is Levi Budd. This is my leadership speech. I believe that a leader is someone who is kind, helpful, and always makes time for other people. If somebody needs help, I will gladly come and assist them. I hope to be a good role model. Thank you for listening.
Hello, parents and students from the community. My name is Alex McKay. I've been looking forward to you having me watch this. What a leader means to me is helping people, especially kindies. You can be small, tall, even younger to help. Also, you should be focused in every subject if you are a leader. That's what a leader means to me.
Hello, my name is Hamish, and I will say what leadership means to me. Leadership means that you're always helping out and being kind to others. Leadership means to be thoughtful and to put yourself in someone else's shoes. You should always be resilient and honest. I am very excited to be a grade 5 leader this year. I hope you have a great day.
Hello, my name is Yihan Hu. A leader is not a commander, but a person who helps others. A leader is also an independent person who does not always need help and can solve hard questions. A leader is a person who tries after they fail and never say that's impossible. That's what a leader means to me. Thanks for listening and have a good day.
Good day, everyone. My name is Serena Wang, and I'm going to tell you about what leadership means to me. It means never giving up. At my old school, I tried to be a leader, but I failed. So next year, I tried even harder. I did it! That lesson taught me to never give up.
Hello, my name is Stephanie, and today I'll be telling you what leadership means to me. I've been at the junior school since kindergarten and was always looking forward to be a grade 5 leader. Leadership means to always help others. For example, if you're in a hurry in the hall but sees that somebody needs help, you stop and help them. To be kind, open-hearted, and always be there for someone. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Use the golden rule. Thank you for listening.
Greetings, junior school. My name is Deshana Nagarajan Pillai, and I'm going to talk about what leadership means to me. Leadership to me means someone who works hard but still makes time for others. For example,
If you're studying hard for a test and someone asks you a question, they will help you. A leader to me also means someone who is a role model for others. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello, Junior School and parents. I'm Sienna Michelle. When I hear the word leadership, I think of people who are honest and never give up, even in the craziest situations. Leaders are flexible and can adapt into different places. This year, I will make sure I never give up and help others. Thank you for listening. I hope you have an amazing day.
Good morning. My name is Vera Chung, and today I'm going to talk about leadership. A good leader to me is respectful and polite. A good leader never gives up and puts other people before them. They are friendly and welcoming to everyone. I'm looking forward to being a grade 5 leader this year.
Hello, my name is Olivia Hunter, and today I'm going to tell you what leadership means to me. I think leadership means to be selfless, because if someone was hurt at recess, you'd go over and make sure they're okay and help them, instead of ignoring them and just keep playing. That's what leadership means to me. Thanks for listening.
Hello, my name is Catherine Gruenska. Today I'm going to be talking about what leadership means to me. A leader encourages someone and puts others before themselves. I remember when I was in kindergarten, some grade 5s went up to me and played with me. It made me feel good. I think that they were good leaders. I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Hello, my name is Lisa Pai. What leadership means to me is being selfless, flexible, and being a good role model. For example, when I was in grade 1, I fell down, but my friend Olivia helped me back up. That is what leadership means to me.
Hello, my name is Jonah Wilkins, and I will be sharing what leadership means to me. Being a leader means to be honest, kind, and a role model. But most of all, do what you know is right. Anyone can be a leader, no matter how old or young you are. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jack Joe. Today I will be talking about what leadership means to me. Leadership is being honest and kind to everyone. Be imperfect and stand up for others. For example, if someone fell down, you could help him or her up. I'm glad to be a leader. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Leighton Foster. What leadership means to me is always being polite, kind, and responsible. For example, if someone is being mean to another person, step in their way and stop them. And another example is, if you have homework, instead of ignoring it and playing video games or playing outside, just do it and get it over with. That's what leadership means to me. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, Junior School. My name is Ava Crawford. What a leader means to me is standing up for others and being friendly. A leader isn't perfect. I'm not perfect and you're not perfect, but you can lead. Thanks for listening. I'm looking forward to a great year.
Hello, my name is Bonnie Bawa. I'm going to talk about what leadership means to me. I think leadership means standing up for others, even if you don't know them as well as others. I also think leadership means to always be trustworthy, kind, hardworking, and always have a smile on your face. And that's what leadership means to me. Thank you.
Good morning, Junior School. My name is Addison Tate. What leadership means to me is being respectful of others. I also believe a leader is generous, kind, and open-minded, and are always here for help. That's what leadership means to me. Thank you, and hopefully you can become a leader today.
Hi, my name is Manav King, and I will be talking about what leadership means to me. What leadership means to me is to be a really strong influence and to never not try. And not just being a leader in school, being a leader in and out of school. This is Manav King, and being a strong influence is what leadership means to me.
Hello, my name is Jack Giacconi, and being a leader to me is like a good virus. It wears off on people. Leaders should also be polite and a positive thinking person, and very hardworking. A leader can be anybody who wants to. They don't have to be older, they don't have to be a celebrity. That is what a leader means for me. Thank you for listening.
Good morning. My name is Amelia Fisher-Frank, and this is what leadership means to me. Leadership is being respectful, kind, and open to new ideas. I discovered that leadership is not just thinking about other people, but talking about them and making a point. I hope you take this into consideration. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Brandon Wong. I'm going to tell you what leadership means to me. Leaders can be all ages and can accomplish anything together. Leaders are kind, helpful, and kind to each other and other people. You can be a leader in a lot of ways. For example, helping someone carry their books. I'm excited to be a leader this year. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Andy Pan. Today I'll be saying what I think a leader should be. I think a leader should be a respectful person. For example, not talking in a meeting. I'm excited to become a leader this year.
Hello, my name is Michaela Yee. Today I will be talking about leadership. I think a leader is kind, hardworking, and imperfect. Leaders should be open-minded about making mistakes and always bounce back up. A leader should stand up for others and be a good example. Anyone can be a leader. Thank you.
Good morning, Junior School. My name is Maho Masuda. Today I'm going to be talking about leadership. What leadership means to me is a person who is kind, loving, helpful, and generous. For example, if someone is getting bullied or hurt, go tell a teacher that someone's hurt. As a leader, I'm looking forward to this strange year. Thank you for listening.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Victoria Ramirez Garcia. I think being a leader means being respectful. It means including others when you play and don't leave anyone out. Leadership also means taking care of the environment. Leaders don't litter. I'm thankful to be a grade 5er in the junior school, and I hope you take care in these hard times. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, Junior School. My name is Sydney Martin, and this is my leadership speech. What a leader means to me is being a good role model for younger kids and maybe for some older kids. It also means being kind, funny, caring, respectful, and a good listener. That's what a leader means to me.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Sakura Tanaka, and I'm here to talk about leadership. Leadership means being brave, confident, and standing up for others. If you come across someone who needs help, show your leadership to them. Thanks for listening.
Hi, my name is Oliver Talbot, and I'm a grade 5 student at the junior school. I think leadership means working well with your team and listening to them. I also think leadership means standing up for people when they're sad. Thank you so much for listening to my speech.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Isaac Wren. Being a leader means respecting others and being kind to your teachers and your friends, whether you're on the playground or in class. Being a leader also means that you always have a positive mindset in your life. I hope I will be a good leader. This is what leadership means to me.
Hello, my name is Enzo Sartori, and I will be talking about leadership. To me, being a leader means being courageous and kind. If someone isn't very happy, I think a leader should help them. Anyone can be a leader. You can be a kid or an adult. Thank you for listening.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Matthew Nacy, and today I'm going to talk about what leadership means to me. What leadership means to me is being kind and to put yourself in other people's shoes if they need your help. You should always be caring to others because they will be caring to you. Thank you for listening.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Jasper Skomowski. What leadership means to me is kindness. I feel if the whole junior school works together, we will be able to achieve peace. I hope I can be a good leader this year.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mateo Lakaswitz, and I'm here to talk about leadership. To me, leadership is helping a friend or making new ones. Once I was running on the pavement, and I slipped and skinned my right knee. As quick as a flash, my friends were around me, and as my knee bled fast, they got me a teacher on duty and got me an ice pack and Band-Aid. After that, I was okay, and I tend to be more careful with running around. That is a good example of leadership. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Evan Priscilla, and I hope to be a great leader this year. I think a leader is being grateful for the good things in life and being understanding about other people's challenges in life. I hope that every person in this school will be a great leader, and I'm determined to be a great leader this year.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Amelia Evans, and this is what leadership means to me. A leader should be strong, but also honest. They should set a good example for everyone, even other leaders. Leaders should stand for what's right and not stop believing for what they think. I hope I'm a great leader this year. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Madeline Cormie, and I'm here to tell you what leadership means to me.
To me, leadership is bravery. I think leadership is bravery because if no one was brave, then we wouldn't be able to do a lot of fun things, like go on the trampoline and play soccer. I also think leadership means trying new things, because if we didn't try new things, I wouldn't like soccer. Thank you for listening.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Claire Priscilla, and today I'm going to talk about being a leader. What being a leader means to me is having kindness and flexibility. For example, if someone is playing alone, ask if they need someone to play with. Or if one of the younger students falls down physically or emotionally, help them get up. That's what being a leader means to me.
Hello, Junior School. My name is Carson Roger. To me, a leader is someone who cares for others. They are also honest and kind and open to differences. I also think that a leader is a role model, so they are empathetic and they give. This is what leadership means to me.